This is going to be a quick instructional video on how to use our online doggy app to view your dogs while you're boarding with us. If you look up here, this is the app. It's called Odoggy, and you download that from the App Store if you have an Apple device, or Google Play Store if you have Google. Once you download, you want to go ahead and click on it to open it. And while it's loading, I'm going to go ahead and pull up my pointer. Make this easier. First thing you're going to do is hit search for providers, and you're going to go up to state, and you're going to come down here and you're going to scroll down. And give me a second because the pointer makes things slower. To North Carolina. And there we go. And you're going to hit done. And then go up here, search. Now we have 2 camera banks because we have so many cameras. When you check in, we'll let you know which camera bank your pup is in. But for this example, we're going to go ahead and go up to camera bank 1 of 2. And now I'm going to go ahead down here and click on subscribe. It's going to give me 2 options. This right here, the $2 option is month to month. The $5 is annual. This goes to the online doggy app. This does not go to us. You can do the 1-year package, for example. Now, I've already subscribed to this device, so I'm not going to hit purchase because I'm going to get charged twice. So because I've subscribed in the past and my subscription is still active, I'm actually going to go up to the home screen. I'm going to show you in a second how that works. But this also helps you if you have multiple devices and you want to view the dog on your iPad and your iPhone without paying twice. You can actually subscribe once on one of your devices, and then the next step on your other device would be to go up here to your home screen. So again, I'm not going to hit purchase because I've already done this. So I'm going to go to home screen here, and then I'm going to go down to settings. And I'm going to tell it to use this device because this device has already been activated. So click that. And once that loads up, it's going to verify that I am subscribed. And boom, it tells me welcome back. My subscription end date is December of this year. So I am good to go. And now I can hit on view the dogs. We will use Oasis 6 as an example. Click on 6. Now the password for Oasis 6 is always going to be the name of the room. So whatever room name is up here, that's the password for where you're at. So that's Oasis 6. So go here, type it in just like I see it, which is capital O, and then ASIS space 6, and then continue. And now I'm loaded. I can see the room. And this allows you to watch your dog on the device. You can turn your phone sideways for full screen view, or back up again for portrait mode. Hope this video helps. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you so much.